Anywhere you find yourself as an Igbo man, don't walk like antelope, walk like hippopotamus. Don't walk like dog or bogo. Walk like a hippopotamus. Walk like the lion himself. Walk like, swing like shark. Once you hear I am an Igbo man, change your step like a hippopotamus. You are wonderfully created and successfully made by heavens of heavens. The presidential seat of Nigeria, if Igbo man do not put a voice, president word shall never be passed. That is why they fear Ojukwu. Ojukwu is a no-nonsense man. If you see them in a bully, when you're talking to the president, go on. You see him as the same fellow man. Oga, let us settle this matter. You just watch a bully. Oga, this country belongs to you and I, but there's a partiality, and I can't take it. Ojota na ngulongwe asega. Oga, let's talk. But this new generation, I sent it to God and represented us. These are people that call seller, those that sell you for money. If they give them something like 7 billion naira or ordinary 100 why Nigerian government refused to let Igbo people go? Once Igbo people go, Nigeria is dead. A wicked government like Nigeria, if P2B is a careless man that don't have a solid foundation, by now the story about him is already closed. As far as this world is concerned, Igbo is #1 people in the world. In any country where Igbo man is not there, there is no progress in that country. Am I sure? People will warn you, go out of that country. Igbo man is not there. Can't you see how blessed Igbo people is in all over the world? One of our brother is now trending all over the world and is a goalkeeper of Nigeria. I think his name is Mr. Okoye. I don't know the full name of the man, but it was trending. This guy is an Igbo man, very handsome guy. Everybody are shouting. It's not our man, it's not a Yoruba man. Igbo is gifted. Listen to me. Why Nigerian government refused to let Igbo people go? Once Igbo people go, Nigeria is dead. The progress of Nigeria today is under the controlling of Igbo people. Igbo people are the one make Nigeria what Nigeria is all about. So when you talk about Imo man, you talk about progress. You talk about establishment. And the whole world, both Hausa and Yorubas know, give a desert to an Igbo man. Am I sure you are hearing me? When I'm talking about the desert, a desert that 100 years, that place is not preparing for people to come there to build a house. But give that desert to an Igbo man. Just give him only 6 months. It will turn that desert to an estate. Celebrate the Igbo man. Look at what is happening today in Nigeria. Just that only one of our brother, P2B, all the whole politicians are running mad. It have never happened in the history of Nigerian politics. An Igbo man, P2B said to them, go and verify. Everybody are running up and down, verifying and confirming. A wicked government like Nigeria, if P2B is a careless man that don't have a solid foundation, by now the story about him is already closed. The strongest men, the strongest people, the developers and investors, and the men that carry the future to develop the world, and anywhere they are, is Igbo men. Igbo are so much gifted by the Lord of heavens. Anywhere you find yourself as an Igbo man, don't walk like don't walk like antelope, walk like hippopotamus. Are you sure you're hearing me? Am I sure you're hearing me? Don't walk like dog or bogo. Am I sure you're hearing me? Walk like a hippopotamus. Walk like the lion himself. Walk like swing like shark. Am I sure you are hearing me? Once you hear I am an Igbo man, change your step like a hippopotamus. You are wonderfully created and successfully made by heavens of heavens. So I want to put this to you, the Igbo people, anywhere you are a development. You are a prosperity. When they asked one of the leaders in Nigeria in 60s, why you don't want Igbo peoples to go? He said, because if you allow them to go, they will be better than other countries, Hausa and Yorubas. They will do better than them. That is why they refuse Igbo people to go. Not because they love Igbos. And the whole world know it. They said, anywhere you enter, any country you enter, and there is no Igbo man there, they tell the people of leave that country. Nothing good is there. Clap your hands for Igbo people. It's only Igbo people can make a desert to become an estate. Igbo people can make a desert to become an island. Their intelligence is nowhere to be found. It is a classic and number one. That is why Nigerians are fighting possible bears, so that Igbo people will not enter to the system to change the system. Because once Igbo man enter to presidential seat of Nigeria, am I sure you are hearing me? So Nigerian government is a government that don't want change. They don't want development. They don't want any good thing to come into Nigeria. That is why they are blocking the people that carry the prosperity, Igbo people, to enter there. And they have said it. Both Hausa man, even Oni of Ife, has confirmed Igbo people. Have you not heard stories where Oni of Ife talking about Igbos? Oga, if you are an Igbo man, you can never be poor. Hausa people learn from us for guy. Yoruba people learn from us for guy. And we must to be appreciating ourselves. I want to let you to know who you are. We don't know who we forgetted who the quality we carry. That is why many of us are going to the government that belongs to all of us and begging his own fellow man to give him a slot as a senator. If our men are not carried away by money, then we know that the presidential seat of Nigeria, if Igbo man do not put a voice, president word shall never be passed. That is why they fear Ojukwu. Ojukwu is a no-nonsense man. If you see them in a bully, when you're talking to the president, go on. You see him as the same fellow man. Oga, let us settle this matter. You just watch a bully. Oga, this country belongs to you and I, but there's a partiality, and I can't take it. Ojota na long way asega. Oga, let's talk. But this new generation, I sent it to God and represented us. These are people that call seller, those that sell you for money. If they give them something like 7 billion naira or ordinary 100 go and watch a man that call Ojukwu that know that the government of Nigeria belongs to everybody. And in our bully standing before the Gowan, oh God, let us settle this. You cannot be using my people and calling you, making a present. We are fellow men. And Gowan understand it. And he discussed with him. He feared him before him. It is when Gowan left before Ojukwu, and another people can talk to him. And he did not meet Ojukwu again. Because someone no met here. What can he be allowed? You saw our boys, if I do not, but I never announced serve and they question to serve you. Now, what the name of boy? Watch your forefathers, Ojukwu. When he went to a bully, you see him there. He did not come and say, my president, no, Oga, we have equal right as far as the government of Nigeria is concerned. The governor, the money that governor used to help anybody is not his money. It has nothing for you to thank him. It has nothing for you to praise him, or a senator or a president. It is your money. Here P2B said that they are the politicians that are supposed to be in prison. He said it. P2B said it. And what he said is true. The politicians are the ones that are supposed to be in prison. Those that embezzle your money. That is why the too much bribe make a Senate president begin to sing. Things are getting better. If a Tinubu is on the shore, you see what Senate president is singing. Shake your money. What things is getting better? We have voted, we have put people that don't know what is called, go and represent us in government. That is why you're distant. I have told you we are no more boy, we are fathers. I pray for you. Let God fight your battle.